Hi folks, Russ Scala here. I got a special request from my attorney friends out there. They want to know what they could do to ramp up pre and post trial. So what I did was I listened to what they did and how much of a grind it is when they're getting ready for a trial. And I noticed there's two types of attorneys out there. There's the entrepreneurial attorneys that run their own show, and there's attorneys that work for a large firm. I want to develop this program so we could go in and talk to a firm about performance, and we could talk to the individual attorneys about how they could maintain their brain function. We use nootropics, advanced IV therapy. We have targeted nutrition that focuses on the brain. So what I gleaned this information from, I was a paramedic attached to the SWAT team back in the day. Today, I travel to the best research labs in the country. I develop performance programs for NBA, Major League Baseball. I've worked with special forces and police, fire, EMS. I work with a lot of high-stress occupations, even airline pilots and surgeons that spend a lot of time in surgery. So now I want to help the attorneys understand basic metabolic processes. And these are the two fields I immersed myself in. I studied triathlons, endurance athletes, muscle wasting for 20 years. I studied the bodybuilder market, all with the idea of keeping us off a walker and improving our longevity. These people are the canaries in the tunnel. I've got research and data that I've developed over the years as the head researcher for a large pharmacy. I trained over probably 600 physicians on advanced performance therapy, whether it's hormone replacement or nutrition. And I want to focus this now on the attorneys pre and post trial. How do we keep an attorney in the game so they retire healthy? And I looked at some of their training models on stress, and this isn't covered yet. Like I said, folks, I've got a lot of attorneys that are friends, and they actually teed me up to bring this information to them. And I meet a lot of my attorney friends at a cigar bar, and when they do ask me questions, they say one thing to me: Russ, short version. I want the short version. So I guess I put people to sleep with the research sometimes. So this is going to be a short version. Pre and post trial. This is for the attorneys. This is what's happening to your metabolism. I also know you got a family most of the time. There's a lot going on. So how do you really understand how to focus when you're getting ready for a trial? Here you go. When you're under stress, you elevate cortisol, and cortisol is a stress hormone. Cortisol lowers growth hormone, testosterone, and actually can damage your skin, bone, heart, and brain, multiple metabolic tissues of your body. So with my history of studying war veterans, police, fire, surgeons, airline pilots, that constant stress that they're under suppresses their natural hormone production. And when you suppress your hormonal production while you're in a case, you're going to be deficient at the end of that case, no matter whether it takes a month or a year. You're going to mine nutrients from your own muscle tissue. So let's say the attorney needs every day 21 minerals, 13 vitamins, 8 amino acids, and 2 essential fats. If the high cortisol causes an imbalance in your intestinal tract, you're not even going to pull that nutrients out of food. You're not going to pull any nutrients out of food if your intestinal tract is out of balance. And what do you need when you're going through a case? You need to be dialed in, just like the snipers that I tested. You need to be dialed in, just like the special forces guy. So there is a gut-brain connection here, and the gut-brain connection is extremely important for you to maintain your focus through a case. In fact, I traveled to the nutritional testing lab, a stool testing lab called the Great Smokies in 1996, thinking I was cocky and I knew everything. I spent a lot of time with the researchers up there understanding how important the intestinal tract is to maintain focus. So what I want to do for the attorneys out there, understand at Scala Precision Health, we've got the testing, the advanced treatment protocols, we do one-on-one therapy, we even do IV therapy. I could develop a treatment protocol for you pre and post trial. I could develop a program for your law firm. This is all information you're not going to hear from your physician, so I hope I kept it at a short version. See Scala Precision Health, the Russ Scala YouTube channel, and my book, American Biohacker. Thanks for watching.
The time is now for you to take control of your health. Everybody and everybody has a story. Let us find out yours today.